Toyota just revealed 7 incredible updates to the 2026 Crown Signia, updates that give you both premium quality and reasonable cost in ways that will fundamentally change your expectations. Number 7. Bold and aggressive design. The 2026 Crown Signia is going to demolish every stereotype about conservative Toyota styling. This crossover refuses to blend into parking lot anonymity because Toyota's design team has created what is undoubtedly the most striking vehicle in their entire lineup. The front fascia hits you with an aggressive hammerhead-inspired design that features razor-thin LED headlights stretching completely across the vehicle's width. But these aren't just aesthetic elements. They create this futuristic light signature that announces premium presence from blocks away. That massive piano black grille dominates the front end with mesh patterns borrowed from Toyota's most expensive models. But the real genius lies in how these elements work together. While other crossovers look generic and forgettable, the Crown Signia's designers have crafted proportions that feel both athletic and sophisticated. Those 21-inch multi-spoke wheels aren't just for show either. They perfectly fill the arches and create this planted, expensive stance that usually costs thousands extra on luxury brands. The rear end features full-width LED taillights that create an unmistakable nighttime signature, therefore establishing the Crown Signia as the most visually impactful Toyota ever created. That styling catches attention, but visual appeal means nothing if the cabin feels cheap when you actually use the vehicle daily. Number 6. Interior refinement. Toyota has been steadily improving cabin quality across their lineup, but the 2026 Crown Signia represents a quantum leap that challenges everything you thought you knew about mainstream interiors. This isn't just incremental improvement. Toyota's engineers have created cabin refinement that genuinely competes with Lexus standards while maintaining Toyota pricing. Nothing ruins the morning commute like cheap plastic that creaks and flexes under your touch, making your expensive purchase feel budget grade within months. That's why Toyota's commitment to premium materials creates this immediate sense of quality the moment you grab the door handle. Soft touch materials now cover virtually every surface your hands will encounter during daily driving, while tasteful bronze accents provide visual interest without looking gaudy or cheap. Those leather-trimmed seats feature unique perforation patterns and contrast stitching that rivals what you'd find in vehicles costing $15,000 more. The dashboard design follows clean, horizontal lines that maximize perceived width while integrating technology seamlessly. This represents the most luxurious Toyota interior ever created, therefore setting new expectations for what mainstream brands can achieve. But impressive materials mean nothing if the powertrain underneath can't deliver the efficiency that modern buyers demand, which brings us to the Crown Signia's hybrid technology. Number 5. Efficient hybrid powertrain. The 2026 Crown Signia comes exclusively with hybrid technology, but this isn't about sacrificing performance for efficiency. Toyota's 4th-generation hybrid system proves you can have both. The refined 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine operates on the efficient Atkinson cycle while working with 2 electric motors to produce a combined output of 243 horsepower, therefore delivering adequate performance for real-world driving situations. There's nothing worse than watching your fuel gauge drop during a simple weekend trip, especially when gas stations seem to raise prices overnight without warning. That's where the Crown Signia's hybrid efficiency becomes a real game changer. EPA estimates show 41 miles per gallon city, 38 miles per gallon highway, and 40 miles per gallon combined, figures that leave conventional engines struggling to compete. With gas prices remaining unpredictable, choosing the Crown Signia's hybrid system could save thousands in fuel costs over several years of ownership. Standard all-wheel drive uses an innovative electric rear motor instead of heavy mechanical components, therefore providing capability when needed without sacrificing efficiency. This intelligent approach delivers confidence-inspiring capability without the weight penalty that traditional all-wheel drive systems impose. So the powertrain solves the efficiency equation perfectly, but what good is great fuel economy if you can't actually use the vehicle for real-world activities? Number 4. Practicality. The Crown Signia's sleek silhouette might suggest compromised utility, but Toyota's engineers have maximized interior space through clever packaging that rivals traditional wagons. That long 112.2-inch wheelbase creates generous passenger room while maintaining the elevated seating position that crossover buyers demand, therefore solving the common conflict between style and space. Front seat passengers enjoy over 42 inches of legroom, while rear passengers get more than 37 inches of space, dimensions that accommodate adults comfortably on long long trips. Cargo capacity reaches 25.5 cubic feet behind the second row, therefore matching many compact SUVs despite the more sophisticated roofline. Folding the rear seats expands capacity to 69.9 cubic feet, putting the Crown Signia on par with the popular RAV4 for maximum utility. Dealing with awkward, heavy objects while bending over at trunk level creates strain that builds up over time. The Crown Signia's low liftover height reduces this physical stress when handling heavy objects, while Toyota's designers have created a flat load floor that maximizes usable space. This combination of wagon practicality and crossover convenience makes the Crown Signia a rare vehicle that doesn't force compromises between style, functionality, and everyday usability. Impressive space and utility matter, but if you think that's compelling, wait until you discover the technology Toyota has packed into this crossover. Number 3. Loads of tech. The 2026 Crown Signia arrives loaded with technology that puts many luxury brands on notice while maintaining Toyota's reputation for user-friendly interfaces. Dual 12.3-inch displays dominate the dashboard, a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, and a center touchscreen that responds quickly with crisp, intuitive graphics. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard on every trim level, but Toyota's Drive Connect service enables intelligent voice commands using natural language processing. You can speak normally instead of memorizing specific command phrases like some robotic system, therefore making technology feel helpful rather than frustrating. The premium JBL audio system delivers exceptional sound quality through 11 strategically positioned speakers that provide tight bass response, clear mid-range, and crisp high frequencies without harshness at higher volumes. Multiple USB-C ports serve both front and rear passengers, while a wireless charging pad accommodates even the largest smartphones. Over-the-air update capability means your vehicle can receive software improvements throughout ownership, ensuring the technology stays current without requiring dealer visits. All this technology creates an impressive foundation, but even the best features become meaningless if the vehicle can't protect you when things go wrong. Number 2. Safety powerhouse. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 represents the brand's most advanced driver assistance technology suite, but the Crown Signia benefits from every enhancement and additional features not found in other Toyota models. The pre-collision system with pedestrian detection has been upgraded to better recognize cyclists and motorcyclists, even in challenging low-light conditions that often cause competing systems to fail. Dynamic radar cruise control works across all speed ranges from highway cruising down to complete stop-and-go traffic situations, while lane departure alert with steering assist keeps the Crown Signia properly centered in its lane. Traffic Jam Assist provides limited hands-free driving capability in heavy congestion at speeds below 25 miles per hour, therefore reducing driver fatigue during daily commutes. The Panoramic View Monitor provides a complete 360-degree bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, therefore making parking in tight spaces substantially easier and safer. Standard automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control come on every trim level. No need to pay extra for essential safety features that should be standard equipment anyway. Toyota's traditionally strong safety reputation gets even stronger with these comprehensive systems working together to create one of the safest crossovers on the market. Outstanding safety credentials establish trust, but they mean little if the price puts the vehicle out of reach for most buyers. Number 1. Attractive price. The 2026 Crown Signia's pricing strategy represents Toyota's most aggressive value proposition in the premium crossover segment. The base XLE trim starts around $40,000 while delivering features and build quality that typically require luxury badges. But the well-equipped limited trim comes in at approximately $45,500 with premium amenities that rival vehicles costing significantly more. The top-tier Platinum trim features every available technology and luxury amenity with a starting price around $53,000, still thousands less than comparable luxury crossovers with similar equipment levels. Similar vehicles from luxury manufacturers would easily require $10,000 to $15,000 more for comparable features and build quality, but the Crown Signia delivers a luxury experience without the traditional luxury price premium. Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability and strong resale values further enhances the value proposition, therefore protecting your investment over time. When considering total cost of ownership, purchase list price, fuel savings, maintenance costs, and projected resale value, the Crown Signia becomes not just an attractive choice, but a smart financial decision that makes perfect sense. You're essentially getting everything except the badge when comparing the Crown Signia to luxury alternatives. The 2026 Toyota Crown Signia represents Toyota's most ambitious attempt to blur the lines between mainstream and luxury vehicles, delivering bold styling that stands out, interior refinement that rivals Lexus, hybrid efficiency that saves thousands, wagon-like practicality, cutting-edge technology, comprehensive safety systems, and pricing that makes premium features accessible. These 7 updates work together to create a crossover that refuses to compromise between style, substance, and value, proving that you don't need to sacrifice quality or pay luxury prices to get a genuinely premium driving experience. Just a few years ago, we would find the Crown Signia surprisingly appealing for a Toyota, but when you check out our review of the brand new 2026 Toyota RAV4, you'll realize these are different times. If you still think the RAV4 is an excellent but bland vehicle, you'll be amazed by the leap the new generation has made. Bold styling, upscale interior, and groundbreaking safety technology are just some of many amazing things the new generation of the world's best-selling SUV brings to the table.